The Barracuda Command 700 BW is the ultimate portable straight stitch walking foot sewing machine. It is built to handle tough materials like canvas, vinyl, faux leather, and real leather, which is what we'll be sewing on today. More specifically, we're using real Italian lambskin leather, and we're not only going to see how this machine handles stitching it, but also quilting it. So in this two-part series, we will be making the Simply Classic clutch. It is a designer-inspired clutch that holds all of the sophistication of its inspiration. In today's video, we will quilt and construct the exterior of the bag, and then in part two, we will stitch the lining and complete the bag. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I am Chris, the owner and creator of Simply Classic, where you can find all of your handbag making essentials. A few things before we begin. As I mentioned, we're using the Barracuda Command 700 BW straight stitch machine, real Italian lambskin leather, cotton lining, a Tex 70 bonded nylon thread, and a size 16 needle. Links to purchase all of the items discussed in this video are in the description below. So this machine features CUDA control technology, which ensures your reverse stitch matches your set stitch length for faster and accurate back stitching. That's this lever here. You set it with this dial here. As I stitch, you'll see how smooth and quiet the machine sews. It does have adjustable speed control built in, and also a needle up and down positioner. The entire body is metal and the motor is built into the machine. Now that makes it portable, and it's perfect for bag making sewing retreats. It comes with basic accessories, and if traveling with it, you can also purchase an optional CUDA case. So I'm excited to get started. Let's go ahead and get sewing. All right, the first thing we're going to do is start quilting, and I have lines marked on this. They're 45 diagonal, and I have a center point. Now in the pattern, all of the instructions on how to do this are listed step by step. So if you have not sewn this Simply Classic clutch yet and you'd like to do that, make sure you visit our website. We have the pattern itself linked down below. So I'm just going to go ahead and start and go ahead and stitch all of these quilt lines. Now, one of the features of the Barracuda is on the foot itself, you have a needle up position. You can go ahead and click that with your foot. It brings the needle in the upmost position, and then you can easily pull this out without any issues. On the back of this piece of leather, I do have some foam so that it gives it a little extra loft when quilting. And look at how beautiful that is. So we're going to continue quilting our diagonal lines. This particular quilting pattern actually has two layers of quilting. The first is a diagonal pattern like you see here, and then the second is a series of straight lines, which ends up completing this canage pattern. So I went ahead and marked the lines for the second pass on this piece, and we're going to go ahead and start quilting. So now both sides are quilted, and what an amazing job this machine did. Quilted this leather just beautifully, and I mean, look at the stitches. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you are making this bag for the first time, you'll see that you still have the center point marked here. It's really a perfect spot to put some kind of bag tag or decoration, maybe a grommet, something to kind of jazz the bag up just a bit. I'm going to go ahead and install mine, and then we're going to move on to the other exterior parts of this bag so that we can continue on. With both front and back pieces quilted and my bag tag on, we're going to set these two pieces aside, and now we're going to move on to the handle part. And I've marked accordingly, and again, all of these instructions are in the pattern, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold this handle. Basically, you're folding it in thirds, using some good old double-sided tape to hold everything in place. And then we're going to top stitch around this handle using 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. This is the slip handle that goes on the front of the bag. You can choose to curve the edges if you would like. If you have a end punch and you want to do either an English point or a curved edge, it would be a great place to do it. I'm just going to leave them straight, which is perfectly fine. And we're going to stitch around this handle. I'm going to pull my threads through to the back and start and stop in the same hole so that we have a nice clean finish here. Now, the thing Reliable includes an edge guide in with your kit of accessories, and this is a great place to use that edge guide. Look at the beautiful detail on that handle. You can also go ahead and just shore up your edges here if you didn't quite fold the edges even. So we're going to go ahead and mark rivet placement marks. This handle could certainly be sewn in place on the front of your bag if you do not want rivets. However, rivets certainly give this bag an added elegant touch. Rivet holes have been made in both the handle and the bag, but we're not going to install it yet. We're going to set it aside for a later step. And the next step in this bag is to go ahead and get the zipper prepared. So the zipper needs to be cut to exactly 8.5 inches, and we also installed the zipper pull. I'm going to go ahead and take a small piece of leather scrap, put it right sides together with the end of the zipper, and we're going to stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance right across the back of the zipper tape. Once that's been stitched in place, we're just going to open the zipper end up here, and we're going to fold it all the way around to the back, and we're going to top stitch that. Now, of course, you can use wonder clips here to hold this in place, or you could even use a little bit of double-sided tape. Once I do that, I'll go ahead and just cut the ends of this off so it's nice and even with the zipper tape, and then we have a beautiful end on the zipper. I'm going to repeat that process to put another end on this side of the zipper. So we have all of the external pieces completed for our Simply Classic clutch. That concludes part 1 of this 2-part video series. In our next series, we are going to construct the lining and then put this bag together. The Reliable Barracuda Command 700 BW machine quilted this Italian lambskin leather beautifully. The top stitching is absolutely gorgeous on it. And make sure you check out the link down below if you would like to get yourself a portable, reliable Barracuda machine or for any of the other products that I mentioned in this video.